Hello, in this video I want to show you how to insert SD card in a VIVO Y36. And to do this, we'll need to open a SIM card slot which is located on top of our device. Use a SIM ejection tool, preferably one that came with this device. Now when we remove it, we can find the slot for SD card which is located right here. Take your micro SD and place it like that. Now we can take that entire slot and stick it just like this. Try to make that card stay in the place. And we just inserted our SD card. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.